What's going on, guys? It's your boy Gorillas VR here, and in today's video we are going to be off-roading. Because, yes. Now, I don't really know where I'm supposed to go for this map. Ooh. Definitely not that way. Maybe this, yeah, we're supposed to go this way. Alright guys, we're in the new map. I don't know what was up with the other ones. Ow. We haven't even started. And I already flipped? No, I'm rolling off of a hill. I have a steering wheel, so I have advantage. Beep. No, bruh. Dude, how do I keep messing up? Okay, I just want to know how I got to the side. Because I was up here the whole time, I think. Turn. I guess don't turn. Okay. So we don't go off of the cliff. Put in reverse and just go this way. Okay. Yes. Did y'all see that? I jumped right there. And I almost just fell right there. Very, very tight spaces. Not much room to mess up. Uh-oh. Woo! Saved that. So, let me give you an example of what these gauges are. Of course, you got your speed, your RPMs, and your range box. I don't have to do that. But you got your brake temperature, and you got a detailed damage sensor. I'll show you what that does. But for the brake, you put in reverse, and then you brake, the temperature goes up. Now, for the detailed damage, it's just better than the original one. Like, watch. Yeah. Now, all those parts that are red are, like, completely destroyed. Yeah. But, oh, I forgot to press a button. Okay. Still in low gear, 4-wheel drive. But we're speedrunning, because I've already done this trail before. Oh, whoa, whoa. I almost just ran into some trees. Is this a corner? It is a corner. It is, in fact, a corner. And I'm dead. Whew. We're getting it. Oh. No, we're not getting it. Oh. No, I'm about to die. Oh, and I rolled over. How'd that even happen? I hit a big rock. And my axle is probably bent now. Now, I don't go up there, but I'll show you guys where this leads to. In a live stream, I went up here, and, it was nothing up here. There was nothing up here. It's just a pond, and you go around the pond. No, I'm about to sink the engine. I'm about to hydrolock the engine. There it goes. I got dragged into here. How deep is this? How deep is this pond? The wheels are square. We're good. Just go back to where we were, which was right here. That's the hill to get up to the pond. Why are my flashers on? How do you turn those off? There we go. Okay. Got it. Okay. Oh! No! Woo! That was so close. Nope. I think I bent something. Let's get out of the car and check what I broke. There's a headlight broken. Other than that, there's nothing wrong. That wheel is a little bit extended, but you know, it's fine. No. No. Okay. No, checkpoint. Like you subscribe, I'm kidding. Now, so I'm pretty sure I just made it. Yep, I made it. Now we're gonna have to try and make it through these with an off-road bus. Let's put it four-wheel drive. How about low 4? I feel like low 4 would probably be the better option. Ooh. Am I hung up on something? Yep. I can already tell it's gonna be a terrible experience. Why am I doing this? This isn't making much sense. This thing has incredible power steering. I'm not getting much force feedback. Come on. Come on, bro. The four-wheel drive is not four-wheel driving. No. Let me go into first person. And we're gonna do this off-road trail, I hope. There's too many sharp turns. That's a cliff. Oh, there's plenty of power in reverse, but you know, once you go into drive, bro, you're not getting nothing. Anything. You're not getting anything. Whew. Let's put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. Hey, let's see if the doors still function. Hey. Press this button again. Okay. Woo! These trees aren't collidable. Honestly, I don't mind not having force feedback right now. It's kind of helping. I mean, there is a little bit when you turn a certain way. But turning left, there isn't any. But turning right, there is some. No! Alright. No. Okay, we're good. We're good, chat. We're golden. No, we're not golden, chat. Come on. No. I feel like low gear is not like working as it should be. Yeah, y'all can hear me. Alright. You guys can hear me, right? No, bro. At least there was no damage done to, like, the frame. I mean, just a little bit to the engine mounts, but that's fine. Okay. Checkpoint is set. Let's go. Turn. Ooh. Oh, no, no, no. No, not the pit. No. No. Please. Yes. No, no, no. No. Dude, if the bus could just stop moving for 3 seconds. No! No! Turn. Okay, so we're gonna have to. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be as close as I can to that tree line without hitting that tree right there. The other side. Watch. Just like that. That's what I want! I did not know there was overhanging trees. Woo. This is not good. This thing has no power, but once the turbo gets spooled up, it has power. I guess you could say. It's a long straightaway, so. Woo! I do remember this because I remember saying, is this a corner? Guys, there's the pond. I'm almost there! I'm about to set my checkpoint up here. Set my checkpoint after I get over the rocks. Bruh, how many rocks? The light made it blurry. Yeah, I feel like I haven't been here, and I think I took a wrong turn. I'm about to lock in for the next couple of seconds. Because there's rocks right here. We just made it through that terrifying trail in a school bus. I'm goated at driving school buses. Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.